What's up guys, today's video is about the top 5 best garment bag Canada of this year through extensive research and testing. I've put together a list of options. So what are the price, performance, and particular use? For more information on the products, do I have to include the links in the description box below which is updated for the best prices? Like the video, do comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Number 1. Zegur 40-inch Business Garment Bag. The quality garment bag folds suits and other clothing for easy transport. They have a foldable suitcase that is 40 inches long and can hold up to 3 suits. The case has a comfortable shoulder strap, is water resistant, and comes in several colors. Zegur also offers a variety of other garment bags, such as a diaper bag, to make transportation easier. The very first product in our list of best garment bags in Canada is this insightful piece of luggage bag from Zegur that highlights a classy, lightweight design with premium quality material and custom specialization, making it a standout amongst other garment bags available in the market. The bag features multiple interior pocket zips that help you keep luggage organized and save you from the hassle. Along with that, it has added exterior padded pockets in which you can store your electronic devices or anything that you want to keep on hand. When you're on the go, who has time to iron? The suit's bag luggage was specially designed to keep your clothes and dress clean, neat, and wrinkle-free. An interior dual buckle holds your garments in place, ensuring that they don't crease or crumple during travel, so you will have more time relaxing and less time getting ready. The main compartment is generously sized to keep your suits and formal attire completely clean and wrinkle-free. With its accommodating size, it includes an interior dual buckle hold to keep your clothes in one place. Number 2. Modoker Convertible Garment Bag. Modest suitcases don't come any better than this 2-in-1 baggage piece from Modoker. This bag shows the functionality of part duffel bag and part suitor transporter, thus making it an attractive and adaptable carry-on. Are you searching for a stylish and convenient garment bag to take with you on your business trip? Modoker has the perfect solution. Their convertible garment bag can be converted into a carry-on duffel bag for easy transport. The bag is also spacious enough to store multiple items, making it perfect for your needs. Plus, the stylish design will make you stand out from the crowd. Don't miss out on this great opportunity to get a Modoker garment bag today. This is made of excellent nylon and has a separable shoulder tie, which can be changed in accordance to fit your requirements. When disassembled, the bag gives you enough space to pack your pressed suits or dresses. Once your stuff is secured, you can pack the rest of your stuff and then assemble the bag into a duffel shape by folding the sides and zipping everything together. After being assembled, this garment duffel bag works perfectly as a 45L duffel bag, travel weekender bag. In the left side pocket of this garment bag is a shoe pouch. And the right side pocket is designed for passports, keys, and some other small items. Apart from its integrated garment section with a variety of functional pockets including a shoe pouch, the bag is made from water-resistant and breathable material that makes it an even more ideal choice. Number 3. Amazon Basics Premium 40-inch Garment Bag. This garment bag by Amazon Basics is ideal for your quick and unprecedented traveling and business trips. Do you always have to carry your luggage by hand? If so, Amazon Basics Premium Travel Hanging Luggage Suit Garment Bag is perfect for you. This luggage bag is made of durable polyester and features a comfortable shoulder strap for easy transport. The garment bag measures 40 inches wide by 20 inches long by 3 inches high, making it big enough to store a few clothes, but not so large that it will take up too much room in your luggage. When fully opened, the bag can store almost 3 dresses or suits, which can later be secured via the buckles provided. The bag is integrated with various mesh zippered pockets which allow you to store your shoes, belt, ties, and other toiletries. The outer part of the bag also features a front pocket with a deluxe organizer so that you can store things like pens, notepads, etc. If you're looking for a travel bag that is both stylish and durable, the Amazon Basics Premium Travel Hanging Luggage Suit Garment Bag is a great option. This luggage is made from high-quality materials and features a weight of only 2.8 pounds. Making it easy to carry around. It also comes with a lifetime warranty, so you can be sure that you're getting a quality product. This lightweight bag is supplied with a removable shoulder strap, or it can be easily carried via the carry handle. Number 4. Your bag's wedding dress garment. A wedding gown garment bag should be large enough to fit all of your clothes, accessories, and a veil if you choose to wear one. This 72-inch x 24-inch bag will fit most long puffy wedding gowns. The gusseted design allows the bag to expand when full, so it can hold even more than you expect. Plus, the zipper closure keeps everything secure while traveling. The next garment bag is from the brand named Your Bags, and they specifically designed this bag for a long puffy wedding or prom gowns. The bag is constructed from high-quality non-woven 80 GSM polypropylene, which is both tear-proof and water-resistant. It offers a huge capacity, and its tapered gusset can even expand up to 20 inches, to provide enough room for even your puffiest gown and keeps it wrinkle and crease-free. Made from a durable material that is water, rip, and tear-resistant. Compare our non-woven 80 GSM polypropylene to 60 GSM used by most other competitors. The garment bag can be easily folded and put away with your other luggage, or can be carried via the hanger loop provided for easy carrying and storage. Number 5. Zegur Suit Garment Bag. The Zegur carry-on garment bag is highly rated and everyone's favorite due to its stylish and innovative design. With the latest fashion trends always on the rise, it can be hard to keep up when traveling. But with the right bag, you can easily have everything you need without having to carry a lot of extra stuff. This is why we recommend the Zegur Suit carry-on garment bag. Not only does it have a fancy design, but it also has shoulder straps and organization pockets that make it easy to keep your belongings organized while you're on your travels. The travel bag is where style meets function. High-quality zippers, fray-resistant material, and a waterproof exterior guarantee that you'll use it for years to come. Constructed from rugged 1800D polyester with an elegantly imprinted full interior lining, this is the best garment bag available today. Crafted with premium quality material, the Zegur bag makes your traveling fun and hassle-free. It can hold up your suits and dresses in one place neatly and without any wrinkles, thus saving you time and worry of ironing your clothes during the trip. Apart from storing our suits, it has multiple zip pockets to maximize the storage space. For added space, it even features pockets on the exterior, so you can keep the traveling documents or the electronics on hand. Along with its sleek, fashionable style, the bag also provides resilient features and durability.